Hi guys, this is your boy Martin, and today do it yourself or fix yourself kind of a video, very quick one. Recently many people has contacted me that they have problem on the dashboard, or basically an information that they don't like. It's 9,999.9 distance meter that it's stuck there, and it's in kilometers or miles. So in today's video, how to do it on all of the Can-Am Spyder F3 Limited or RT models with this dashboard. And I'm not sure, I'm really not sure, but maybe this trick can work later on 2024 models. I'm not sure, but maybe the logic is the same. How to do it right now, and because this is a very fast video, small promo. This video is brought to you by MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, your #1 place in the world for Can-Am Spyder and Ryker parts, and also Toursontree.com, the coolest tour and rental agency in the world. So in case you would like to ride Europe on 3 wheels, visit Toursontree.com, fill up the form in the contact section, and we will get back to you. Now, enough of this bullshit. Let me show you how to do it. So what's the 9,999.9 counter stuck all about? Well, most of the bikes, or all of the bikes, comes from manufacturing set up on the dashboard on the counter as a trip A, and bike offers you to calculate your trips or measure your trips, trip A, trip B, or total distance, where trip A and trip B can only measure and display, basically, for whatever reason, only up to 9,999.9, where total distance can be displayed and of course measured in a full length, so even 100,000 kilometers or miles, and you can display it on your dashboard. So two solutions: either reset the trip counter or move total distance here. So most of you guys, or many who has a problem, here you can see 9,900, you know all of that. So how to do it? Of course, you will need to play with the joystick. Push and get to the menu. Now, you know how this works, right? Up and down, and you need to push in order to confirm the option. Now, in the settings, you need to go to the launch start trip, go there, confirm it, and here you have trip A, trip B, or total. So first what you can do, and as you can see I have 203 here, you have two options. On the bottom there is reset, or this one with the it looks like, I don't know how it looks, but with the dot on top, it actually fixes trip A, or it fixes trip B, or it fixes total amount of kilometers on your main dash. So what we'll do first, reset. So you see I have 203 now. When I press down, it will reset total number of kilometers, and also it has changed here. Now when I would like to either use trip B or total distance on my dash, so let's go to the total distance, for example, and how to fix this and move it here, you need to actually confirm the top. So once I confirm the top, now you can see it has moved here, and I have total distance in here, and it will work the same way in case you have 17,000 kilometers or miles, or 100,000 kilometers or miles. It will be still displayed, so it will not stuck on 9,999 in case you have a total distance. That's the whole trick. Hopefully this video has helped some of you. In case you like what you have seen, hit the subscribe button, notification button, so every time I make a cool video you will be notified. And don't forget, visit MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, your #1 place for Can-Am Spyder and Ryker parts in the world, or visit Toursontree.com, the coolest tour and rental place in the world. We are based in Bratislava, Slovakia in Europe, and you can ride one of our bikes. We have 10 bikes now, and super cool tours with Martin the Vlogger as your VIP tour guide. Thank you, and remember, always have fun.